Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of hotels.com. We click on settings. Here in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we can search about hotels.com. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you can go to storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.